fire. Only one more day. I live my life right. I would find a way to love every day, all people as I should.
What if this is the moment to live life to the fullest, to not wait for inspiration, but to inspire, to create a world where we lead with love. We learned from the past and dream for the future. Now is the present. Take the leap. Life is not happening to us. We are needed. Be the hero of our destiny. Envision is an invitation for participation.
People, if I only one more time to groove, yeah. People, if I only one more time to move, I'd let my soul grow. Live it up, yeah. You can't go on forever. No, you can't go on forever.
Instigate change through love. Be the inspiration. Start the revolution. Bring unity back to community. Transform the darkness into light, the pain into purpose. We look within to find our light. Together, we shine so much brighter.